Let's talk about how you can troubleshoot injection pump. This is a four-cylinder injection pump. How can you troubleshoot it? How can you know if the fault is from injection pump or the fault is from something else? The injection pump, the first thing you need to ensure is that, does injection pump receive sufficient fuel? You need to know, does it receive sufficient fuel? This is the injection pump. This is the supply point from the filter. Does the filter supply the injection pump? So you need to know very well, does if the injection pump receive fuel. If it receive fuel, then you need to proceed. What could be the problem? Another thing you need to consider is the timing. So the timing of the injector, is it normal? To the timing of the injector, your injection must be in timing with two other components, your camshaft and your crankshaft. It must be equal with those one. So you need to check the injector timing too. For example, let me show you this engine injection timing. It's darker. Let me show you. Yes, okay, you can see the light. You can see it very well now. So this is the timing now. So you need to ensure that the injection pump now, so it must align with your crankshaft. You must make sure the timing is aligned with your crankshaft and your camshaft before you can think of if the injection pump is bad or not. Another thing you need to think of is your solenoid, the injection pump solenoid. The solenoid is the solenoid okay? In this case now, you can see the solenoid has two wire, the positive and negative. You need to ensure that the solenoid is okay. You can bring the solenoid out and test it on battery to ensure that the solenoid is okay. If the solenoid is okay, then you bleed the injector. If you have sufficient fuel in your injection pump, you bleed it from there so that you can know if there is sufficient fuel in the injection system. If you try this way and the injection is not supplying, that means the element, which is the rotary itself, has broken. If the rotary is good, your injector is supposed to supply, and if it's not working, then you need a professional to have a look on your injection pump. You should not also forget that you must not miss the pipe. These are injector pipes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on your injection pump, you must not miss the pipe. When you are installing your injection pump, you must not miss the pipe. If the pipe is number 1, mark where you have number 1, because if you misplace the pipe, you also have problem. In some injection pump, like in this type of injection pump, there is a filter here. If the filter here is clogged, you are going to have issue. It will not supply. It will not there will not be supply. It will not supply out. The injection will supply from here to this pipe, then to your injectors. But if the injection has problem, then it will not supply. Another thing you need to look very well is your governor, the injection pump governor. If the governor is bad, you also have issue. Like this type now, this is the governor. But I will suggest that you seek a professional when it comes to adjusting the governor, because it's more technical. But in this type of injection pump, these both will tell you if you have fuel in your injection pump. If there's insufficient fuel, then it will not be able to supply to the injectors. So this is a brief thing you can do to ensure that your injection pump, to troubleshoot it must supply here. Then this is the return back to the filter. It must supply, and you must ensure that the solenoid is okay. If those ones are okay, then the rotary element must be good. If that one is good, then your injection pump should be able to start. Thanks.